200 years ago, America built its very first submarine. The pilot gripped a bomb in his right hand and steered with his left, slipping silently beneath the enemy warship. He would fix the bomb in place, then whip the vessel around and flee. The mission had to be seamless. No surfacing, no breath to give him away. Many never made it back, drowning in silence. Engineers went back to the drawing board. They built a round oak shell, bound it with iron hoops, and sealed the seams with tar to keep the water out. A ballast tank was set in the lower hull. When filled with seawater, it would sink the submarine for a stealth attack. Breathing was no longer the issue. The bomb now rode on top, under the enemy ship. A sharp drill would embed it into the hull, then explode before anyone knew. But reality had other plans. The ship's belly was clad in thick copper plates. The drill couldn't bite through, and oxygen ran out in 20 minutes. The mission was scrapped, so they swapped the drill for a razor-sharp harpoon, stretched the hull to 13 meters, fitted fins on both sides, and used leverage to swing them. Now the sub could maneuver with precision. In battle, it rammed the enemy with full force, piercing the hull, then detonating the charge at point-blank range. But stealth was lost. The enemy saw it coming, and the result was often mutual destruction. That's when the ultimate underwater weapon appeared, the torpedo, powered by compressed air. A twist of the valve and air surged into the piston, spinning the propeller to drive it forward, but the stream of bubbles gave away its path in seconds. Engineers switched to electric motors, mounted in the rear, with massive batteries stretching the torpedo to 7 meters long. Bigger weapons meant bigger subs, but big subs drank fuel fast. Constant refueling was impossible, so they built the Cow, a supply submarine. Both would surface fuel hoses dragged across the waves, and the transfer would take hours. 2 giant targets, exposed in daylight. One sighting by the enemy, and it was all over. By 1945, American scientists unlocked the power of atomic fission, enough energy to drive a submarine without ever surfacing. The world's first nuclear-powered sub, the Nautilus, was born. A small reactor fueled by uranium. Fission heat turned water into a torrent of steam, spinning turbines at full speed, driving the propellers deep below the surface. No more refueling stops. 4 kilograms of uranium could push it 100,000 kilometers, but with more systems came more crew. And oxygen became the next problem. So they borrowed space station technology, a machine that split water into oxygen, producing